Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Katiebugscrafts. So, I'm going to show you the finished project from last week's paint pouring. They're dry now. And then we're going to jump right in. We are making the cutest resin jewelry ever. It's paint skins from last week's pour out of the pouring cup and nail art jewelry. We have earring studs with bezels attached, and then I think they're 8mm, and then we have 18mm bezels for necklaces. So what I've done is I've picked out the dry paint skins from my pouring cup, and I am taking an earring bezel and I'm turning it upside down on the paint skin. I pick out a piece I like that has enough room for 3. And I push it upside down against the table with the paint skin in between. I rub it quite hard against the table. It creates friction and causes the bezel to cut the paint skin. Just continue to do this until all of your paint skins are done.
Like a subtle frill, shadows dance on the windowsill. Concrete dreams in the glow collide. Breathe it in, let the waves decide. Streetlights flicker, a Morse code plea. From the cracks in the street, loose-lipped poets on cobbled ground. Every word a kaleidoscope sound. We're chasing night lights in the city, spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart beats a brand new song. Time feels right, the world's not wrong.
So next step, I take my tacket over and over and I place a small dab on my table, and you wouldn't believe how many times I stuck my arm in it. I bet you can. It's obvious where I put it. My arm goes right over it. Any hoozle. So yeah, I got a silicone brush and I'm just brushing it onto the bezels. It goes on white and it dries clear.
We collide. Glass hearts tick to the beat they keep. Fog hides truth in a smoky sweep. Moments kissed by the amber haze. Soul-stone stars light their reckless gaze. We're chasing night lights in the city, spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart beats a brand new song. Time feels right, the world's not wrong.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plan. chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones in city streams we find. Let's write a new story.
So I went to the other room and I got my nail art stickers and I forgot to hit record. Sorry. Anyway, I got some nail art stickers, and what I do is I pick 2 small ones that are facing like opposite directions, and I use those, and so you'll have one for the right ear and one for the left. And I pick out if there's a larger one on the page that looks good with the 2 I chose. I'll use that for the center of the necklace bezel. If not, I just pick 2 or 3 small ones that go together that would match the set, and I just put that one on the bezel. If you have any sticker that sticks off the edge of the paint skin, it's okay. You can just cut it off with a pair of scissors.
Behind. Someone's cooking love in the air, I swear. Every spark in their voices shows they care. Colors splash like secrets on these walls, while laughter echoes through the halls. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break.
So it's time to add paint skins to the bezels. The tacket is dry, so it's clear. Right now, I'm taking a pipe cleaner. I'm folding it into, I believe, 4 pieces. It's soft and fuzzy, and it's easier to help push the paint skin under the edge of the bezel. I don't have much fingernails, so that's not going to work, and I don't want to poke a hole in it with the tweezers. So yeah, pipe cleaner worked. hope you enjoy this video, and until next time, may your glitter stay suspended, your resin be bubble-free, and your creative spirit guard your craft room, studio, or workspace until you return.